This news update is brought to you by LawPay, the #1 payment solution for legal professionals. LawPay was developed specifically for lawyers to accept online payments in compliance with ABA and trust account guidelines. LawPay is a proud member benefit of the Florida Bar.
A rule change that took effect in September removed a major barrier for spouses of military personnel who wish to practice law in Florida. For Bailey L. McGowan, the first person to take advantage of the change, it meant she didn't have to be a substitute teacher after all. Florida has more than 55,000 active duty service members in bases from Pensacola to Key West. The rule change, proposed by the Florida Bar's Military Affairs Committee and approved by the Florida Supreme Court, was created for people just like Bailey McGowan. Now, McGowan's husband, Kaleb Simpson, is a captain in the Air Force, flying AC-130s out of Hurlburt Field in Okaloosa County, where he has been stationed since 2017. McGowan stayed behind in Texas to complete her studies at the Texas Tech University School of Law and sit for the Texas bar exam. Then, she assumed she would have to repeat the process in Florida. However, McGowan was sworn in as a member of the Florida Bar on January 31st and now works as a public defender in a misdemeanor court in Okaloosa County. The Supreme Court, recognizing the unique mobility requirements of military families who defend their country, approved creating Chapter 21 of the rules regulating the Florida Bar and also a new rule of the Supreme Court relating to admissions to the bar 2-23.7. They allow the lawyer spouses of full-time active duty military personnel, if they meet several conditions, to practice in Florida for up to 5 years without taking the bar exam. Florida is the 30th state to have a military spouse rule. For more information on the active duty military personnel rule change or to find resources if you are a member of an active duty military family, visit floridabar.org.
For more information about LawPay, visit affinipay.com.